The clutch is attached to the engine's crankshaft and sits inside the clutch drum. The clutch is made up of a center hub, a couple of shoes, and 2 springs. When the throttle is increased, centrifugal force causes the clutch to expand and contact the clutch drum, causing the chain to rotate. Over time, the shoes may wear, so they no longer make firm contact with the drum. The clutch springs can stretch out, so they no longer have the force to pull the shoes back. This will cause the chain to rotate all the time. Rarely, a spring can even break, causing the same result. If the saw is used beyond its capacity, the clutch will slip. This slipping leads to heat and premature wear of the shoes, the springs, and the clutch drum. Replacing the clutch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the chain and bar. Before I remove the side cover, I'll make sure that the brake is unlocked. Next, I'll remove the clutch. This style of clutch is designed to be removed with a screwdriver and hammer. I place the screwdriver on either one of the indents on the clutch face. Then I strike the screwdriver with a hammer very quickly, and that'll break the clutch free. Now I can install the new clutch. I'll thread it onto the crankshaft. And I don't really need to tighten it. I will take a pair of needle nose pliers and make sure it's firmly seated against the crankshaft. As I use the saw, it'll tighten itself. Now I'll reinstall the bar and chain. I'll place the bar over the bar studs. Now I'll loop the chain over the clutch and align it into the groove on the bar. I'll pull the chain tight, aligning the chain with the groove on the bottom of the bar, and reinstall the side cover. Release the chain tensioner just a bit, and install the bar nuts just hand tight. I'll retension the chain, and tighten the bar nuts. And that's how easy it is to install a new clutch in your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.